Hey YouTube, Will here from All Electric, back again with another video. And today, in this video, we are going to show you the easiest way to get an automatic frunk and a trunk. So this is only an automatic opening, not an automatic closing, but still very convenient. So what you just see here is the regular struts that you see on a Model 3, and then you have to lift up the trunk. Stay tuned for later in the video because there is a giveaway of 2 floor mats and an option for you to enter on Facebook to win even more floor mats. So 4 total giveaway opportunities. So we open up the package, and yes, I do read the directions, or at least glance at them relatively quickly just to get a general idea. And it turns out we only need 1 tool for this job. So it's a very easy install with a flathead screwdriver. That's all you're going to need. So once you grab the flathead screwdriver, there's a little bracket on the back of these struts that you can just pry up, and then these pop right out. So here's a close-up look at what that actually looks like. So as you can see here, to get the factory struts off of the frunk here is relatively easy. So then installing is even easier. No tools required. You just line up the hole with the little ball joint that you see here, and you just press it right in. It'll make a snap, and that's it. So now we're going to do the exact same thing to the other side. Super easy to do, but adds a lot of functionality. And then we just take the other automatic opening strut. It's basically a more powerful strut that allows the frunk to open just with the press of a button. And we're going to do the same thing with the trunk here. So we're going to close this, and then we're going to come over here and open it from the app. And now you can see it opens it all the way up, which is really convenient if you use the front trunk for like groceries or something like that. Now closing the frunk is still done manually, and it is a little bit heavier than normal due to the more powerful struts on the front trunk now. So here's a better view from the app. We hit front and open, and it opens it all the way up, which is really nice. Now, I am giving a set of these away. If you go over to Twitter, I have pinned the tweet to my profile at A11Electric. If you head over there, I'm giving these front struts away. So head over there. All you have to do to enter is follow me on Twitter and retweet that post. That's it. Now let's move on to the rear. So as you can see, the rear has these red springs, so if you order both sets, you'll know immediately which one is for the rear trunk and which one is for the front trunk. So if you open up the rear from the Tesla app, it just pops and barely moves. You probably didn't see it move in there in the video, but it did move a little bit, and then it allows you just to lift it up the rest of the way. Now again, to install these, we're going to need our flathead screwdriver to remove first the factory struts, but make sure you put a towel or a blanket or something to protect that big black glass, because as you're going to see in this video, it does take a little bit of force to pull these back ones off. And then I use my head, once the bottom portion comes off, which I already had taken out, I use my head while I reach for the other more powerful struts, use my head and hand, and now the trunk is being held up by my head. Make sure the red spring is facing down during the install. That's where you're going to want it. And then you just simply press right in. So you find the little knobby thing and push it right into the strut, and it just will make a nice clicking noise for you. And that is it. Really easy install. So here's a close-up view of doing the other side using my screwdriver to kind of pry off the little clip, and it comes right out. It does take a little bit of force to come out, so you're probably going to need 2 hands, and it's definitely a good idea to watch that glass and use some sort of towel or something to protect the glass when you're taking this off. You can see there, I've seen a couple people on Reddit that have not protected that rear glass, and when they're kind of pushing that strut off, it does hit the edge of the glass and does end up breaking the glass. So definitely be extra careful when you're removing the factory struts and installing the other ones. I use just a regular towel to kind of protect the edge of that glass to make sure you didn't hit it with the strut. And it's also just a good idea just to be safe and be really cautious. Now these simply just click right in. You can see the bottom one clicks in, and then you have to push the trunk up just a little bit so the holes line up, and you just clip it right in. Easy as that. to install and have automatic opening trunk. Now there is a way more advanced install, but this for me works because I don't want to be drilling holes in the car and all that. So when it's open, it does take a little bit more energy, just like the Frunk, to close, and that's because it is a more powerful strut. And I think those springs kind of help the trunk open, so you can see it gets really tight. I almost thought something was still in there, like a tool, because you know, it was so different compared to the factory struts. So I do close it there, and now we are going to use the mobile app to open up the trunk, and we're going to see a really big difference, because if you remember previously, when you popped it, it just didn't move at all. But now when we use the mobile app to pop it, we're going to see just how convenient it is to have the trunk open all the way for you. So yes, we do want to open it up, and we have a fully opened trunk. Super easy to install. Yes, they do have ones that fully open and fully close that are powered, but I think this is a really good option in the $20 to $30 range for each set of struts, which is really, really affordable. And that is a good segue into, if you go over to model3part.com, you can actually get 20% off for a Black Friday sale if you use the code ALLElectricParty. 20% off. So go over to their website. They have a lot of great Black Friday deals that I think go on starting on Black Friday the 29th, going all the way to December 2nd. So covering the entire weekend. They have a lot of really cool Model 3 gear over there. And here is the Frunk and trunk struts that we just reviewed in that video. These are the exact same struts. So you can go over there to their website and order them. But if you do, make sure you use the code to get 20% off. And that's ALLElectricParty. That's one word. So now let's open the Frunk and trunk struts to show you on their website what exactly you get, because I didn't realize they were so inexpensive. So they're $26.98, and if you add those to the cart and then add the 20% off coupon, you can get both of these for around $50 or so. And I do believe they have free shipping on their website, just like if you would buy these off Amazon. So I will leave a link down below in the description to this website, model3part.com. Go over there and check this out, and don't forget to use the code to get 20% off. ALLElectricParty. Now, if you head over to my Amazon shop, and you guys who have followed this channel religiously know that I have reviewed these floor mats, and these are part of the floor mats that I'm giving away. I'm going to give away 2 sets of floor mats. Yes, this complete set of floor mats for your Model 3. 2 winners are going to be selected. And I'm also going to give away another set of floor mats. So not only is one person going to get this set, but another person is going to get this set of floor mats. And you know, this set that you're looking at right here is my favorite floor mats. These are, I would say, the same quality that you get from Tesla, but half the cost. So I'll leave a link to these floor mats down below in the description so you can check those out and see if you want to enter. The only thing you have to do to enter for this contest to be one of the 2 winners is leave a comment below, and I'm going to randomly pick one person to win these floor mats and the other set. Now, if you also want another chance at winning, or 2 other chances, go over to Model 3 Parts Facebook page, which will be down below in the description, and they are also giving away 1 set of each floor mats, one of the Pro versions and one of the regular floor mat sets. So 2 other people are going to win over there. All you have to do is first follow the Facebook page and then send them a message saying ALLElectricParty to be entered to win. It's that easy. So that gives you 4 chances to win. 2 chances by leaving a comment below, and 2 chances to win floor mats by going over to their Facebook page, following, and then leaving them a message. So 4 sets of floor mats are going to be given away, 2 from my comments and 2 from the Facebook entries. Good luck, everyone. I want to encourage you, yes, you right now watching this video, to head over to my Patreon and support this channel for as little as $1 a month. Special shout out to Akramatul and Nicola Pro for supporting this channel at the top tier. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with a friend. I'll see you in the next one.